Justice Bhushan Ramkrishna Gavai took oath as 52nd Chief Justice of India (CJI) during a ceremony that was held at Rashtrapati Bhavan. President Draupadi Murmu administered the oath of office to Justice Bhushan Ramkrishna Gavai. Justice Gavai, who was elevated as a judge of the Supreme Court on May 24, 2019, will have a tenure of over 6 months and will demit office on November 23rd. His swearing-in ceremony was attended by prominent dignitaries including Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal, and several other Union Cabinet Ministers. Justice Gavai, who took over from former CJI Sanjeev Khanna, is a son of the late R.S. Gavai, a former governor of Bihar, Kerala, and Sikkim, and a veteran leader of the Republican Party of India, Gavai faction. Justice Gavai is the second Chief Justice of India from the scheduled caste SC community, following Justice K.G. Balakrishna, who served between 2007 and 2010.